How does leak detection work? Leak detection is a science. You come out first and you do a test on the house to determine is there a leak, whether it's water or sewer or even gas. Then, if it's water, you check the meter, you check the valve at the valve box coming into the house, you shut off the valve at the water heater. You want to isolate. Is the leak in the yard? Is the leak in the house? If it's in the house, is it on the hot side or cold side? It's like a needle in a haystack. You're going to have better luck if you can divide that haystack into 4 separate areas. That's what you're doing on a water leak. Then you come in with the right equipment. Most plumbers don't have the right equipment. We have everything from ultrasonic equipment to electronic equipment to stethoscopes to geophones, air compressors. There's a lot of different things you have to go through to find it. Sewer leaks are a little bit different. You put a test ball in a sewer line, fill it up with water, see if it drops. If it drops, then you're doing leak detection again. Then what you're trying to do is isolate test balls and hoses to determine exactly where in the system that leak is. If you're going to pay a lot of money for somebody to tunnel up under a house, you want to make sure that the leak is where they say it is. That one's another one and how you do it. The gas leak test. First of all, you do a pressure test on the house. Then, if you can't find it, you isolate different areas or you come in and trace different areas, depending on what type system you have. If you have different valves to where you can isolate different lines, you pump it up, shut them down until it stops leaking. Then you know which line it is. If you can't isolate it, you build up the pressure in the system, you disconnect it from the main, build up the pressure in the system, start soaping everything down, looking for soap bubbles. That is the introduction to how you do leak detection.